So welcome back people. I think everyone are doing good. Okay. So this video is based basically on what bash scripting and tips and tricks. Okay. The first thing is that when you are specifying a variable, you need to specify the what good naming conventions. If you let's say that you're specifying a file name and example txt. The first thing is that you need to specify a good naming convention for the variable name. If you specify, if instead of file name, if you specify f, that is the basically less meaningful, right? So no one can understand what is this. So if you specify file name, if you specify file name, then people can understand. So this will basically hold the file name. So that is the good practice of using the variable name in conventions. Okay, the next thing is that command substitution. So basically whenever you are specifying the today's date, like whenever you using a variable called today's date, now what you need to do that variable as an environment variable, and then you can say the echo to print the today's date and exact time every time whenever or anywhere in the terminal or the anywhere in this operating system. So let's say that a plus and the percentage y, and then minus percentage m for month, and hyphen percentage t. This will basically hold the current date or date and time and the year, month and date. So if you do echo today is, and then current date, you can see that today is 2023 and 09 and 19. So why did I do like this? Because let's say that like you need to use today's exact date in some particular script. So you can't specify the big line of code every time, like you can't be pressing percentage percentage percentage. So if you specify one variable as a global variable, this will basically do what take the exact time and exact date, and which can be basically used inside any script. So that is why which is more powerful if you use environment variable. Okay, the next thing is that when you specify let's say that you are creating a function. Okay, when you specify that specifying a function, make it global and reuse that particular function instead of just creating that function again and again. Just be about reusing this function. Don't just write the function every time, just be reusing it. Okay, that is what the best practice and tricks you can do. Another thing is that you can also use conditional operator and command 2. So you can also use conditional operator 1, and you can also use conditional operator command and command 2. If this particular command 1 and command 2 is totally true, then it will input the output. If not, you can use or, so that you can say if command 1 is true and command 2 is false, just in that case also it will basically put the output as like it will basically give the output. Okay, so there is many things that you can just try using this bash script. Not only that which I showed you, but if you learn the bash script, then you will become a pro in automation. Like, I'm not saying that you can't automate using Python or Java, but you can do it. But if you learn to automate the bash script, you can automate like say any servers or something like that. So because in today's world, 80% or 90% of all the servers which is running in Linux, so if you learn this particular Linux bash scripting, you basically can what I can't say you can be pro. I can say that you will know the basic understanding of how the servers and how the scripting or how the backend will exactly work, and you can do all the operations like within a fraction of second, or within without writing a code again and again, and automating everything will helps you to make the process make more efficient and make more time consuming. Okay, so this is basically the last video of bash scripting series, and I appreciate your patience of watching this last video, and thank you for watching. Bye.